You remember it with absolute certainty, a memory etched deep within your mind. But what if that vivid recollection, shared by millions, was fundamentally, undeniably wrong? For many, the shock came with Nelson Mandela. They distinctly remembered his death in prison decades ago, only for him to appear, alive, in the 1990s. This collective false memory was termed the Mandela effect by paranormal researcher Fiona Broom in 2010. She discovered countless others shared her recollection. Think Berenstain Bears, not Berenstein. Kit Kat without a hyphen. Or the iconic line, "Luke, I am your father," which was never actually spoken that way. How can so many people hold the exact same, false, memory? Is it merely mass confabulation, a trick of the mind playing on our collective consciousness? Psychologists attribute it to cognitive biases, suggestibility, and the fluid nature of memory. Our brains often fill in gaps, creating coherent narratives where none exist. But what if it's more profound? What if these discrepancies are glimpses, tiny cracks in our perceived reality, hinting at something far more extraordinary, parallel universes? Modern physics, particularly quantum mechanics, postulates the existence of a multiverse, where countless realities unfold simultaneously, each with subtle variations. Could the Mandela effect be evidence that our consciousness, or even fragments of our reality, occasionally shifts or merges with an alternate timeline? This idea challenges everything we believe about stability and linearity. It implies our shared past might not be fixed, but a dynamic, ever-changing tapestry. Next time you recall a famous quote or logo, pause. Double-check. You might uncover your own personal Mandela effect, a secret whisper from another reality. The Mandela effect remains a baffling enigma. Is it faulty memory, or a mind-bending peek into the fundamental, astonishing nature of our multi-layered existence? The answer echoes in the unknown.